Hello students, I welcome you in the online education session. Today we are going to study the third lesson from our course book, The Cop and the Anthem. The lesson is written by O. Henry. The real name of the writer is William Sidney Porter. O. Henry was his pen name. Pen name means the writer used that name for writing. O. Henry, born in 1862 and died in 1910. The Cop and the Anthem is one of his famous stories. The story is about a man, Soapy. Soapy is a vagabond. Vagabond means a person having no home to live. घर नसलेला, राहायला घर नसलेला असा. As well as he is the person having criminal background. त्याचा क्रिमिनल अशी पार्श्वभूमी होती, गुन्हेगारी अशी पार्श्वभूमी होती. असा हा सोपी या पाठामध्ये काय काय करतो नेमकं ते सांगितलेले. विंटर सीझन असतो अँड सोपी वॉन्टेड टू प्रोटेक्ट हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम द कोल्ड ऑफ सिव्हिअर विंटर. सो he made some plans because he wanted to get arrested. He wanted to go to prison to protect himself from the severe winter. हिवाळ्यातील कडाक्याच्या थंडीपासून संरक्षण व्हावं यासाठी त्याला जेलमध्ये जायचं असतं, तुरुंगात जायचं असतं आणि त्यासाठी तो वेगवेगळे प्लॅन्स करतो. लेट अस रीड द लेसन अँड ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट प्लॅन्स ही मेड. पाहूया आपण धड्यामध्ये की तो नेमके काय काय प्लॅन्स करतो. द कॉप अँड द अँथम. द कॉप मीन्स पोलिसमन अँड द अँथम मीन्स रिलिजियस सॉन्ग or prayer which we offer to God. Soapy left his bench. We know that Soapy had no home. So he always lived in the park. Whole day he would wander here and there, and at night he would come in the park and sleep on the bench. Soapy left his bench and strolled. Strolled means walked out. Strolled out of the square and across the level sea of asphalt where Broadway and Fifth Avenue flow together. He came out of the park and started walking on the Fifth Avenue. Up Broadway he turned and stopped at a luxurious cafe. At Broadway he saw a luxurious cafe and he stopped there. एक महागडं हॉटेल दिसल्याबरोबर तो त्या ठिकाणी थांबला. Soapy had confidence in himself from the lowest button of his vest upward. Soapy was confident about himself. Why he was confident? Because he was shaven. He did shaving and his coat was trim and his neat black bow had been presented to him by a lady missionary on Thanksgiving Day. The first plan he made was to enter the luxurious cafe. For that ही प्रिपेअर्ड अ लॉट. त्यानं बरीच तयारी केली होती. ही डिड शेविंग. दाढी केली होती. ही वोअर द कोट. त्यानं कोट घातला होता जो की चांगला होता, स्वच्छ होता. अँड हिज नीट ब्लॅक बो. बो इज अ स्मॉल टाय. छोटा टाय. अँड दॅट टाय हॅड बीन प्रेझेंटेड टू हिम. त्याला तो टाय गिफ्ट केला होता. दॅट टाय वॉज प्रेझेंटेड टू हिम बाय अ लेडी मिशनरी. Missionary means a person who works in the church. By a lady missionary on Thanksgiving Day. That bow was presented by lady missionary on Thanksgiving Day. Thanksgiving Day is a festival celebrated by Christians on the 4th Thursday of November. नोव्हेंबर महिन्याच्या 4थ्या गुरुवारी ख्रिश्चन लोक थँक्सगिव्हिंग डे हा सण साजरा करतात. इफ ओनली ही कुड रीच अ टेबल इन द रेस्टॉरंट अनसस्पेक्टेड. संपूर्ण तयारीनिशीच तो आलेला होता. त्या लक्झरियस कॅफेमध्ये जायचं त्यानं मनाशी ठरवलेलं होतं. इफ ओनली ही कुड रीच द टेबल अनसस्पेक्टेड. कोणाला शंका न येता त्या टेबलपर्यंत पोचणं एवढंच त्याचं ध्येय होतं. इफ ओनली ही कुड रीच अ टेबल इन द रेस्टॉरंट अनसस्पेक्टेड सक्सेस वुड बी हिज. ही वॉज कॉन्फिडंट दॅट इफ ही वुड गो देअर sat by the table, nobody would suspect that he was not rich. The portion of him that would show above the table would raise no doubt in the waiter's mind. Nobody would recognize that he was not rich person or he could not pay the bills. A roasted mallard duck, thought Soapy, would be about the thing, with a bottle of wine and then some cheese, a cup of coffee and a cigar. When Soapy was out of the cafe, he was thinking about different food items. Roasted mallard duck, a bottle of wine, some cheese, a cup of coffee and a cigar he wanted to order if he would go into the cafe. $1 for the cigar, and there was $1 in his pocket, so it was sufficient. $1 for the cigar would be enough. The total would not be so high as to call forth any extreme of revenge. After eating such a heavy meals, such a food, what would happen? The management would call the police and police would arrest him, and that is what he wanted. आपण एवढे सगळे पदार्थ मागवले, खाल्ले आणि बिल नाही पे केलं तर होऊन काय होणार आहे? पोलिसांना बोलवतील आणि तेच त्याला पाहिजे होतं. The total would not be so high as to call forth any extreme of revenge from the cafe management, and yet the meat would leave him filled. If he would take that heavy meal, he would feel satisfied, and happily he would go for a journey. And what was his journey? What was his planning? He wanted to get arrested. त्याला काय वाटत होतं? पोलिसांनी त्याला अरेस्ट करावं आणि प्रिझनमध्ये पाठवावं. दॅट वॉज हिज जर्नी. लिव्ह हिम फिल्ड अँड हॅपी फॉर द जर्नी टू हिज विंटर आयलंड. कशाला तो विंटर आयलंड म्हणतो? जेलमध्ये जाण्याला किंवा तुरुंगात जाण्याला तो विंटर आयलंड म्हणतो. बट ॲज सोपी सेट फूट इनसाइड, the restaurant door, the head waiter's eye fell upon his tattered trousers and decadent shoes. As soon as Sophie put foot inside the cafe, head waiter saw. Head waiter's eye fell upon means saw. Who noticed that? Head waiter noticed that. What he noticed? His tattered trousers, old and torn trousers, pant, torn pant and decadent shoes, old shoes, the head waiter noticed. And he stopped Sophie there. Strong and ready hands turned him about and conveyed him in silence and haste to the sidewalk and averted the ignoble fate of the menaced mallard. Head waiter saw Sophie. Head waiter saw the torn pant and old shoes of Sophie and realized that he could not pay the bill. So he came there and stopped him entering the cafe. So, and kicked him out of the cafe. त्या कॅफेमधून त्यानं त्याला बाहेर काढलं. Sophie turned off Broadway. It seemed that his route to the coveted island, coveted means greatly desired, आणि त्याची ग्रेट डिझायर काय होती? डिझायर म्हणजे इच्छा. त्याची मनातून इच्छा काय होती? प्रिझनमध्ये जायचं. Sophie turned off Broadway. It seemed that his route to the coveted island was not to be an easy one. Some other way of entering the limbo must be devised. When his first plan failed, he decided to do something different. Then his second plan. At a corner of 6th Avenue, electric lights and cunningly displayed wares behind plate glass made a shop window attractive. Then he saw a very big shop at 6th Avenue. 6th Avenue च्या त्या रोडवरती त्याने एक मोठं दुकान पाहिलं. 6th Avenue. He saw a very big shop and he saw that there was a very big showcase made up of glass and it was decorated with electric lights. It was looking so good. So there was plan in his mind. What he did? त्यानं काय केलं? Sophie took a stone. He took a stone and dashed it through the glass. He took the stone and threw that stone towards the window. People came running. As soon as people heard the broken sound of the glass, they rushed towards the store, towards that shop. People came running round the corner. A policeman in the lead. Policeman was also there. Sophie stood still with his hands in the pockets. Instead of running, Sophie stood there and he was smiling and smiled at the sight of brass buttons. Brass button means police. Police have the brass buttons attached to their uniforms. Sophie stood still with his hands in his pockets and smiled at the sight of brass buttons. Why Sophie was smiling? Because he saw the policeman was coming there, coming nearer. Where is the man that done that? Inquired the officer agitatedly. Agitatedly means angrily, slightly shouted. पोलिसमन जरा ओरडलात जरा रागाने. Where is the man that done that? Where is that man who has done that? Don't you think that I might have had something to do with it? Soapy started talking with that policeman, and he asked the policeman, didn't he think that he was the person who had done that? तोच त्यांना विचारतोय पोलिसला की काय तुम्हाला असं वाटत नाही का की मीच ते केलेलं असावं, मीच तो काच फोडलेला असावा. विथ अ फ्रेंडली व्हॉइस ॲज वन ग्रीट्स गुड फॉर्च्यून. पोलिसांना असं सांगून आपल्याला फार मोठं काहीतरी मिळणार आहे अशा आविर्भावात त्यानं त्या पोलिसांना विचारलं. द पोलिसमन रेफ्यूज टू ॲक्सेप्ट सोपी इवन ॲज अ क्लू. व्हाय? Because men who smash windows do not remain to chat with the police. Because policemen knew that the person who would do such things would not remain there and would not talk with the police. So he was not ready. He refused to accept Soapy even as a clue. So he did not arrest Soapy. And then he saw another man who was running to catch a car, and that policeman thought that that man might have thrown the stone towards the shop window. So he ran behind that person. The policeman refused to accept Soapy even as a clue. Men who smash windows do not remain to chat with the police. They take off their heels. They take off their heels means they run off. And the policeman saw a man. At that time, he saw a man who was running to catch a car. Saw a man halfway down the block running to catch a car. With drawn club, he joined in the pursuit. He ran, policeman ran behind that man. सोपीला त्याने तिथेच सोडलं आणि तो त्या माणसाच्या मागे गेला, पोलिसमन. विथ सोपी विथ डिस्गस्ट मीन्स सॅड. ही बिकेम सॅड. सोपी विथ डिस्गस्ट इन हिज हार्ट ड्रिफ्टेड अलॉंग ट्वाइस unsuccessful. In this way, his second plan also failed. The first plan was he wanted to enter the luxurious cafe, but we know that head waiter's eyes had fallen on him. Head waiter saw that he wore the tattered clothes and decadent shoes, and so he kicked Soapy away. Second plan, he smashed the shop window. That we know that policeman didn't arrest Soapy even as a clue. कॅफे मध्ये तो जाऊ शकला नाही, लक्झरियस कॅफेमध्ये तो एंट्री करू शकला नाही, आणि दुकानाची ती शोकेसची काच फोडली तरी पोलिसांनी त्याला अटक केली नाही. इन दिस वे सोपीज 2 plans failed. We will discuss the remaining part of the story, his further plans, in the next video. Till then, goodbye.